Kompetisi TV.
Kublish bun ba pila ewan nga taray ba kanika kamat kalong ba kongsan ba na benta gitu ki applicant ki ba apply ya ki allotment order ban apply ya ka permit na benta asyaka hoat nakaliang jungi ni penpa ko jung sngo diaw ha bede ba kani namar ba ya ki kot ki slide ngila penjang lu mangina nok sedang Kiwan bambu becene kiwan submit becene sa office jongi na ade ki affidavit ne ya ki paro ka kisla ki residential certificate ne ya ki parking space jongi te nakalian jongi la kat bagi one submit ni penbiang ni check but nakalian jongi la libu lo be sha DTO te ka jing slam jong kani ka jing slam jong kani ka allotment order ka day by hi na nakaliang jong ka RTA kabade i deputy commissioner i bade i chairman by secretary de DTO i bade ban khot i meeting ban pelat ya kane ki allotment order te nakaliang jong i sngo dia ba bade ba kane namar ba klakta shibun ba na benta ki applicant ki ba kwa ban kamai hok ban kamai dakaan bat ba ki balawan khmat ban apply kini ki permit asyaka nakaliang tunga nga kerpat ya i deputy commissioner ya i DTO bat ya barok ka board jangka RTA ba kin numpen slam syo abade ba kani namar mentala nyo prabanai kini ki samla kila syuab namar ba nakapor namar ba ni don ka WhatsApp group ka bangila bo ye kitu ki applicant te ni ba nakaliang juki ni ki ong nila kwa kamay no rebeli ka slam ru ba de ni nakaliang jungi kwa ai ban pensay ba kay ga ba ka responsibility ka ba ni day ban le nila le 100% nila pan poilo ki kat ki slash DTO nre DTO office nre pan ngamtet nakadaw yu ba adu mentaru kidang bat kidang islam kani ka kata ajor ba na benta ni ki samla kan kamplam jam ki bakwa bandan hakani ka benta ban kamay lemba ki asyaka bat ki ba kwa ban apply de ki permit bikin kamay kat kum kaan bat kade ka kamram jong ka sarkar ba kade ban I mean ban encourage ya ki samla ki ba wan chakman ki ba persyang ban yang halaki kejat da ka ba kamay da ka hok ba da ka linti jong kaan hawi de ba kani ka jing kamay ki asyaka nga kerpat ya ka sarkar ba kanum kinsting ba kan sim kia hawi de ba kani ba jing jungi ki aggregator ba kinongnya asyaka ki ba apply ya ka bamenta ki ba apply ki allotment order na ka benta begin apply ya ka permit asyaka.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.